Please make it make sense. Is business all about making profits and gains, or it's about improving the lives of people through your products and services? Because some manufacturers are heartless. How will you sell a power bank with dead cells to a customer? You can see this power bank looked normal until we opened it. My friend bought a 40,000 milliamp hour power bank that actually seemed to work at first. It could charge devices, the lights came on, and nothing looked suspicious from the outside. But after testing the power bank for usage, the battery life did not match the advertised capacity of that 40,000 mAh. So we decided to open it to see what was really inside. At first glance, it looked packed with multiple lithium-ion cells. But something immediately felt off when we checked the cells one by one. You won't believe that only 2 of these cells are actually real working batteries. The remaining cells were fake, and inside them was sand. Like literal sand was used to make the power bank look bigger and heavier. And honestly, products like this can become very dangerous because fake battery systems are very unpredictable. So if your power bank drains unusually fast, please be careful where you buy your electronics from. And subscribe to Embedded Systems Diary for more real-world engineering content.